Negative ring dips. For this one, you need workout rings. You need to attach it to something. And I would suggest that you have enough height so you can go deep enough. And then a box. From here, the goal is go into the ring support hold or top position, and then lower yourself down until at least 90 degrees if you can, even lower, and then restart. Okay? The important thing here is that you think that you depress the shoulders, you bring in your shoulders together as well, like you're doing a chest fly. And from here, you're gonna go down, keep the hollow body position all the time, and tension your legs. So let me show you how this looks. Also grab the rings, so you grab it like this and not here. So there's a difference having here or here. And remember to have chalk. So you step in to the top position here, lower yourself slowly, and that's 1 rep. Let me show you a couple of reps.